a fully automated website, $1,000,000 making website, $1,000,000 profit making website for Clickbank. It's a very easy method. I am showing you the full procedure. First time you have to make a website with WordPress. I have designed a website with Genius theme and I have added demo content for site looks good. In this procedure you need a plugin, and this is the plugin, WordPress automatic plugin. You can collect this plugin from Envato marketplace, and I will give this link on video description, my affiliate link for this product. Okay, let's start the procedure. You have to log in your WordPress dashboard, and you have to go to plugins, and from add new, first time you have to collect the plugin and you have to upload the plugin. Choose file. I have already purchased the plugin, and here is the plugin, WP automatic. This is the plugin. I am selecting the plugin and clicking on open. Install now. I am showing you how easy it is. Okay, activate plugin, and now you will get this menu on your WordPress menu bar. I am clicking here, and first time you have to click on settings. In this tutorial I am showing you how you can make an automated website for Clickbank. But with this plugin you can make an automated website for Amazon, design articles, even you can do spinner settings, Flickr, eBay. You can make an affiliate website for eBay with this plugin, Instagram, YouTube, Vimeo, SoundCloud, iTunes, Envato, and you can do current setting here, general settings, proxy settings, ad settings, search and replace. There are a lot of functions, but in this tutorial we will learn how we can make a $1,000,000 profit making website for Clickbank. And for this procedure you need your Clickbank user ID. Just copy your Clickbank user ID and paste here, Clickbank settings, save changes. And now if you go to the menu WP automatic and click on new campaign, first time here you have to make a campaign. You can make multiple campaign, but I am showing you with one campaign. Just give a campaign name here. Suppose I am giving here name, campaign name, first campaign. Or you can write here your category, for which category you want to make the website. Suppose I am giving here recipe niche, and this is the update frequency. From here you can select update frequency. Suppose you want to give 10 posts per day, automatically 10 posts per day for your website. You can make automatic post for your website per day 10 posts. Just you have to select here 10 posts. I am selecting, okay, I am selecting here 9. Campaign type, and from here you have to choose campaign type. There are a lot of websites you can use with this plugin, but I am selecting here Clickbank because I am making a website for Clickbank. Campaign keywords, you have to select here campaign keywords. Suppose we are making website for recipe. I am selecting here recipe. You can select multiple campaign keywords, and you have to select these options. Maximum number of posts, by default here is selected 2000. I am not going to change it. All products from this category, you have to choose here category. Suppose I am selecting here cooking. You can choose specific products language. I am selecting English. You can select here search order by keyword, gravity, popularity, average earning sale. I am selecting popularity, and there are a lot of options you can change from here. Just you have to read the option, and if you think this option is helpful for you, just you have to select the options. Okay, I am ignoring these options. Publish, and after publishing the campaign, just you have to click here run campaign, and every time you will click on run campaign, you will get a product from Clickbank automatically added to your website. Let me show you. Okay, I am showing you a product which I already added with this plugin. Suppose this one, I am opening this product, and done, and nicely done. Now if targeted audience, click here order now, and here is the hop link for affiliate ID. So finally I have to say, with this plugin you can make a fully automated website, $1,000,000 profit making website for Clickbank for affiliate earnings. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.